It's been 5 years since last time I upgraded my phone, so I thought it was the time to do it. And what a better way to get the iPhone 14. The only thing is, I'm an Android user. I have a Note 8, so I had to transfer pretty much all my information into this new phone, iPhone 14 Pro Max. I got the one with 256 GB. I think that was good enough to test it out. The main reason why I decided to buy the iPhone is because I want to try the ecosystem. I have iMac computers, I have laptop computers, and I want to transfer and edit documents from one device to another. In the case, you're going to find the cable to charge the phone to any USB port, an Apple sticker, and also a card that says you no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. For more information, go to apple.com/eSIM. I chose a space black color because I think it's really cool. I think it's one of the best ones. But then again, if you put a case on top of it to protect it, I mean, it doesn't really matter, I guess, unless you use a transparent one. The dimension of the phone is very similar to the Galaxy Note 8 that I own. There is not really that much different when holding it on my hand. One thing that I would like to mention right at the back is the speakers on this phone. They're really simply amazing. The fidelity is excellent. I just play a couple tunes and you can feel the whole thing in stereo, and you can even feel the bass line popping up. It cost me around $1,200 for the whole thing. Is because I ordered the one with 256 gigabytes, and I think that's good enough for what I want to do. Okay, let's go ahead and start setting up the phone. We're gonna press the button on the right side to turn them on. It's gonna show hello in different languages, and now what we're gonna do is just to swipe up to start the setup. Okay, on the first page we're gonna choose the language, and then we're gonna choose the country. We're gonna do a quick start setup manually, and then we're gonna connect it to the internet. They're gonna continue, and then we can either set up our Face ID or not, or you can do it later. And now we have to create a passcode. On this page, you have the option to transfer apps and data from your iCloud, from Mac to PC, directly from your iPhone, move data from Android, or don't transfer apps and data. I tried move data from Android, but it was going to be a little complicated. You had to download a software into the Android phone, and then you had to enter the password, and then you had to transfer the whole thing. But I realized I don't really want to transfer everything. I really wanted to start on from scratch. So at the end, I chose don't transfer any data. Now we had to enter our Apple ID, and then it's going to send a verification code to your phone. All you gotta do is just enter and then go ahead and then agree to the terms and conditions. And now you have to enter a Mac password, so that way your phone can communicate with your laptop and your desktop. And make this your new iPhone? Yes, you can either continue or customize. I click customize and went through the whole setup. Keep your phone update? Yes. Location service? Yes, click on enable location service. And you're gonna have to wait for a little bit because it's locating before you proceed. And this is the page where the eSIM activation begins. You have to enter your wireless number and also the last 4 digits of your social security, and then hit continue. On the next page, actually it's gonna send you a text to your phone and saying SIM transfer code for your number ending in 67 blah blah. Grab the number and you're gonna enter on your phone, enter verification code, and then hit continue. And then you're gonna have to wait for a little bit because saying activating eSIM and connecting iPhone. On your Android device, you're gonna receive a message saying SIM no provisioner for voice, which means the SIM card has been deactivated. And on your iPhone, activating eSIM. You can continue setting up your iPhone while your eSIM is activating. So we're gonna continue, and you can set up your Apple Pay, you can set out your Siri, you can set out the mode, either dark or light mode. You can set up pretty much the rest, analytics and everything, but you can also do this as soon as the phone is being activated and is on. So whatever you choose right now, you can actually modify later. So there's not really a big deal. Emergency SOS is one of the newest features that Apple have implemented into these phones, which is great. Hopefully we don't have to use this in the future, but they're there just in case. Okay, so welcome to iPhone. We have completed the setup and now we're ready to start. All we gotta do is swipe up to get started. And we're in. I think the feeling is great because, you know, I'm basically moving for Android device to an iPhone, and I'm thinking to myself like, wow, why I didn't do it before? Like I said before, the reason why I'm doing is because I want to use the ecosystem and I want to control my phone. I want to do things on my phone that I can actually do it on my desktop and laptop later when I get home in my office. And then I think it's really easier to do. But since I'm new on this iPhone world, I think I'm gonna need to learn more than I think, because I know the basics. Yeah, like open messages, open, so and so, make a phone call, switch applications. But I think the best way to learn is actually going to the Apple Store and sign up for a session, and then so that way they can teach you how to operate this phone. In fact, I did it today, and then they teach me a lot of things that I need to know. And I'm just gonna do another video where I can show you exactly the basic things that you need to learn, just in case you are a new iPhone user. And then all I can say is I'm really happy with the phone. I feel a little bit more I don't know, organized, I guess. I didn't transfer all the messages, but I can do it. I can do it because I need it. I'm probably gonna do a quick video on that one. I think all my contacts were actually on the iCloud. So since they were on the iCloud, they were actually transferred automatically into my phone, so they're there. But I'm gonna double check to just ensure. But what I gotta do is transfer applications. And honestly, I didn't want to transfer all the applications that are on my phone. I just want to do it one by one. Well, it depends on actually the more important that I needed, for now. But anyway, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna do more videos, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, put a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.